Run, elephant, run. A storm is coming to the rainforest. Rain begins to fall in diamond drops. Spit, spot, spit, spot. Little elephant stays close to his mother. Wind blows the trees and leaves. Swish, sway, swish, sway. The rain falls faster and faster. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Little elephant is scared. The wind blows harder and bends the trees. Heave ho, heave ho. Rain pelts down. Rattle, 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 rattle. An old tree cracks and crashes to the ground. Creatures tumble from its branches, and soon little elephant can't find his mother. Howling wind whistles and wails, whistles and wails. Rain is drumming, drumming, drumming. Little elephant must run for his life. A tiger is coming his way. The storm goes wild. Everything whirls and swirls, whirls and swirls. The rain slashes and smashes. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. No time to hide now. Run, little elephant, run! Faster, faster! Little elephant battles against the wind, the rain, and the slippery mud. Slip, slop, slip, slop. Look out! The tiger is coming closer, but little elephant slips and falls. He slides down a muddy slope on his knees. Whoosh. Flop! He bumps straight into his mother. She has been looking for him everywhere, and now she holds him close and comforts him. The elephants trumpet, loudly stamp their big feet, and scare the enemy away. Now it is the tiger's turn to run for his life. At last the storm is over. The rain slows to a gentle pitter-patter. Spit, spot, spot, spot. The herd moves on, and little elephant trots beside his mother. He has already forgotten being lost, chased, and scared. But something else has changed too. Little elephant feels bigger and braver. He trumpets and stamps his little feet. Stamp, stamp. Creatures in the canopy call back. Toot, toot, hoot, hoot. The sky is blue, and sunlight shines into the forest. Steam rises in the heat. Drip, drop, drip, drop. All is calm. The storm is over. The elephants rest and play in the cool rain pool. Splosh, splash. Splosh, splash. Little elephant feels safe and happy again after his big rainforest adventure. Here are 35 creatures you can find in the book. They all live in the tropical rainforests of Indonesia and Southeast Asia. The end.